Welcome back to the Eccentric Anomaly channel, everybody. Today there is a bit of a different video. Give me a sec. Two things. So, give me a sec. My hands are a little jittery. Okay. So, two things. There's gonna be. I can't look at the mirror, unfortunately, because that causes bugginess on my side and it gives me a headache. So I can't look at the mirror for long. But, ow. I'm gonna be doing different avatars every video. For today's video, we have Hornet. Another new thing. For most of my solo videos, I am going to be doing what I will call VR nature. I will be going into different VR worlds and exploring them. I already have a world in mind for today. Now, some of you may not like this, but like this world, but it's a personal favorite show of mine, and I would really like to explore because I did find a world based on it. There are quite a few, actually. So, for today's video, we are going to be exploring the amazing digital circus as Hornet. And I would just like to say, Shaw! I know I don't do a good Hornet impression, but for today's video, I'm going to be a little more calm than I usually am. Well, I am pretty calm usually. I'm really only calm when I'm not with my friends. I like to be energetic around my friends. Oh! Look at that! Wow. Oh, that's... Oh, I don't like that. Oh, wait. Hold up. The jitteriness, like the camera bugging on my end is gone. Oh my god. Oh, that's... No. I don't like this. Oh, the hill. Oh, this is such a steep hill. I would hate to climb this in real life. I think anyone really would. Okay, is that a giant pumpkin? Hi, Moon. Come on, hands. I might have to change my avatar for today's video. But... Oh, screw you, Zubul! Screw you! Can I go in? Oh, so this is the circus. Aw, Cough Mill. What the hell did you do? Or is it Cough Mound? It's Cough Mill. Yeah, it's Cough Mill. Okay, we're just gonna be exploring around the circus today. I might explore the other rooms. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do Jax. I'm gonna do everyone else but Jax. I'm okay. Sorry, if you just heard me speak, that's because my one of the other co-hosts, or one of the co-hosts. What the hell? Pomni? Oh crap. Okay, we're just gonna pretend I didn't see Pomni. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god, wait, no, stop it. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my, the camera thing, because I kinda wanna see what it look like in, like, the faces of all the characters. So, oh word, what is happening? What? My hand! What the heck is happening? Okay. What the frick? turn the camera around. Oh. Did I get it? Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay. Who's up first? Gangle? Oh. What do I look like? And oh, I can grab it. Oh, that's sick. I might have fricked it up though. Yeah, no. Oh, I can't do it now. No. No hands. Stop it. I don't like hands. Okay, no hands. Okay. Sorry about that. You guys won't get to see Hornet's face in the cardboard cutout of Gangle, unfortunately. Okay, we're gonna come over and acknowledge what I'm pretty sure is a 2D image of Pomni in a wheelchair slamming into a wall. Is that Caretaker playing? Okay. Are you okay? Oh, crap. Oh! Objects! Grabbies! Maple syrup, okay. I'm just gonna ignore the maple syrup. Hat. I am a hat. Okay. I'm gonna change avatars because unfortunately. My god, hands. Oh. Pretend you guys didn't see the. How? Ow! Oh, it's still charging. Loki might have to restart the video because y'all saw that. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me for past actions. I will get rid of those avatars after this video, don't worry. Okay, time to switch to my base avatar. My main avatar. Oh. Okay. Oh, wrong menu. Oops. Okay. Why I'm much taller. Wow. Hornet's short. Hornet's short. See, the hand tracking is much better with Freddy. Oh. Nice room. Nice room through here, Kane. Okay. I do. Okay, we're just gonna pretend we didn't see that. Oh god. King, what the f, bro? Okay, we're just no. Oh, it's the basement. Oh, it's a fake basement because the real basement. Oh, wait, this is where that scene took place. I got around here. This is, I thought, wall, I think. I think this is the wall where it happened. Oh, there is a gun in here. I grab the gun. Sorry if my movement's a little weird, guys. Again, I am, in fact, using... Okay, no gun. Got no wiki. Oh, is that the... No, where is she? No. Is she not in here? The gloinks. Oh no, the gloinks. Oh, there's Goblin. Oh my gloinks. That looked like it lit off. Oh! That might explain why she's gone. Sorry if I pause for a second, it's because the headset strap has broken So, like, if I look down for a couple seconds, the headset like fall or kind of comes down because the strap will, I can't tighten the strap properly, so like it'll slip off of my head. Also, I have like long hair, so I'm tightening my strap. Give me a sec. Okay. I've successfully managed to tighten the strap on my headset for the first time in a while. It kind of hurt under my fingernails, though. There's also like a kind of eye strain on the headset, because, you know, shouldn't have screens this close to your eyes naturally, but yeah. Oh my god, look at it! The bee and the cane! Okay. We have a goal now. We have I have an obvious goal. No, we have an obvious goal. We're on this journey together. Find the hallway. Find the hallway with the rooms. Sorry I have to do this. My headset's not quite charged enough to turn my body, and I can't just stand up because I have to charge my headset, so I literally have to turn using in-game controls. Which is tedious, yes, but to be real, anything for content, man. Anything to lengthen the video even a little bit, because I like making videos long. It helps you guys. It gives you guys more to watch, even if that more to watch is like a couple seconds of me turning, like a total minute of me turning. Ah, is that the Pomni Lisa? Oh my god, it's the Pomna Lisa, or it's the, you know what I mean. Pomona Lisa. Is there literally nothing up here? Oh my god, there's actually just nothing up here. There's quite literally not a thing up here except these pumpkins. Oh man. Can I get on the wall? Can I get on the wall? No, I slid off the wall. That actually scared me. Like, really scared me. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Oh, there's so many rooms. But I want to go explore the... Oh, never mind. Yeah, let's do it top or bottom to top. Oh, this is so cool. Granted, we don't get to see this much in the show, but... Is that Gangle that just jump scared me? Jesus, man, I'm getting jump scared all over the place. Oh god. Yep, that is barely textured. Barely textured. Okay, so that's how I leave. Hold up. What's this? What? Okay, that was... I'm gonna ignore that. Okay. Zubal's bar. Some of these areas are obviously not going to be fully textured because we don't get to see a lot of that. Corn! It's corn, bro. That's funny. I like that. It's Jax's worst nightmare. No, I don't want that one. Okay, so there's not a lot in some of these. Spudsies. Oh, this was the restaurant episode. You got the... Shut up. Shut up. You got just pickles for $70. That's the small slab. You got mega stack. And you got the Dobby dog for 57.57. I don't know if these were the items on the real menu, because that would mean they only had 4 items, but knowing Kane, that would... Oh my god, and they even have the item sitting where... Stupid sauce! Can I grab the stupid sauce? Oh, I can grab the stupid sauce! There we go. I'm a bit shorter. Stupid sauce. Ah. Someone got put... Ragatha got put in the blend... Or the... Yeah. A lot of the maps aren't gonna be this big, but a low quality sign. I like it. Oh, nice. I'm guessing one of these rooms is going to be the room that traumatized Jax. I'm gonna assume this isn't a room either. Yep. Okay, so they didn't choose to include the Jax room, unless they did, and I'm not and I need to like find it. Oh, that would be cool if they left it in, and like you have to find it. Oh wait, hold up. Maybe touch computer? Touch? No? No touch? No touch. Is this it? This is the room. If you guys hear sounds in the background, don't worry about it. Go away, Ragatha. Okay, I think this is the door I exit out of, right? Okay, I think I could have exited out of either door, but I just exited out of the door that was nearest to me when I came in. Okay, this and Candy Canyon is going to be like the biggest areas. Oh, look. It's Gangle, Gangle, a version of Jax. Oh, hi, Zubul. The monster. It's like horror versions of all the characters. That's so cool. This can't be all that's here. I don't believe it. Because there's no way that's all they included. I would be right. Did they at least include the basement? Or is this like this is the basement. Okay, so they didn't build the entire Milton Hall manor. You'd expect there to be a jump scare here, right? Oh, I bet if I take the gun. I'm actually kind of terrified right now because I know there's gonna be like a more higher. I hope to God it's a more high for jump scare than the other one, because oh, is this it? Is it just the soul area? Or like the soul says Omni and stuff? I can kind of just fall down. Yeah. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that, actually. Because now I have to climb back up these stairs to get out. I'm actually guessing that... Oh, I thought that like I was gonna get out of the basement and end up back in the main room. Like, the actual main room, not back at the circus. Candy Canyon. Hopefully there's like a few sub areas here, or at least like a big area because this was the most textured or most like expanded area in the show. You guys are seeing that too, right? I'm guessing that'll go to like the truck section, but I don't want to go there yet. I want to look around a little bit before going to here. Okay, picture cane. Do you think they made their own version of the Candy Castle? Also, I bet you that they got this from... What? Oh, they didn't even bother to, like... I just realized they didn't even bother to make it look, like, big. Like, yeah, this is a very tiny castle. Like, this castle is built for dwarves. Like, actual mythological dwarves. Okay, I'm gonna turn around because walking backwards out of this kingdom is not helping. Okay, you guys definitely see that. I know you do. What is this? Oh, crap. Oh, no. I don't like it here. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like the truck room. But no, it's the asset section. Can I touch the asset? Like, pick the assets up? Or... No? You got me, go. Pat, 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 pat. The elephant, the monster. I don't remember that guy existing. Am I like getting chased or something, bro? Because like that was loud. I think this is like there's like basically nothing in here. I'm gonna turn my headset volume down mainly because like that sound gets so loud, bro. Oh well, I can guess that I'm not supposed to go this way, given that the wall is clearly not in its correct place. If I can't get out of here, I'll just take respawn. Well, I know the way out, but like even I know that it's not worth trekking my way all the way back there. Why is there a white dot on my screen? What is that? I don't know what that is, by the way. If you guys see the white dot on the screen, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I think I'm entirely, like, lost. Oh, I thought that was... I forgot that the circus isn't the main... Wait, hold up. I just realized the circus isn't the main area, meaning... Oh, do you think they textured other parts of the circus? I wonder if they did. Also, I don't think it's intentional, but... Nice reference to... what's it called? I can't remember the name right now. No, it can't have been intentional. Iron Lung. Yeah, no, Iron Lung. Nice reference to Iron Lung, y'all. I don't remember this boat for some reason. But, obviously it's not blood. Strawberry jam. Or no, it's, red Kool-Aid. It's red Kool-Aid. Yeah, that's what it is. It's all liquidy. Oh, I didn't expect it to actually... Ooh. 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 Oh, it's a Wait, there's another thing there. Oh my god, wait, hold on. I'm gonna have to jump over the, can I jump over the fence for this? Okay. I have to, oh. Oh, that sucks that all Gangle gets for a jump scare is her crying. That's morbid. Very sad. Why is the, okay, this house doesn't even allow me to go in. This is definitely not intended for human use. Tell you that much. Whoa. Or maybe it is, what the frick? Well, I'm gonna end off the video with jumping off. So, with that being said, goodbye, anomalies, and see you next time in the facility. Peace out, I guess. I'm feeling a lot more calm right now. Like, lower on energy, but, goodbye, everybody, and see you in the facility next time.